Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ramesh Sultana from United Public School. Welcome to my class Science. So students, in before classes what we will make our own magnet. So in this activity what we have to do, we have to make our own magnetic compass. In before class what we will do, we will make our own magnet. In this we have to make our own compass, magnetic compass. We know what is magnetic compass. It is useful to know the directions. In before class only we will know this. Okay, take a magnetized needle, tape the needle to a light cork, float the cork of a glass of a water shown in the figure 10. Just you see here, like this we have to do. We have to take a glass and we have to take a magnetized needle and we have to take a light cork and we have to float on the glass of water like this. Okay students, add a little detergent to water to help the cork floating. So what we have to do, we have to add some water, we have to add some detergents. Okay student, in the direction does our magnetized needle point. So our magnetic compass will be point, our magnetic needle will point in north and south direction. That's why it is act as a magnetic compass, because the needle will act on which direction? North and south direction. That's why we call this, it is a magnetic compass. So students, our next activity is magnetic induction. So we have to take some safety pin and bring it close to the alpin. Just you see here, this is a safety pin. Okay, this is our bar magnet and we call this pin as a alpin. Okay students, does attract the alpin. Why? It is, does this magnet, this water safety pin will attract to this alpin. Bring the safety pin close to the one pole of the bar magnet and see how it is get attracted to the magnet. What we have to do, we have to take this safety pin close to the magnet, then it will be attract, because pin is a water magnetic substance. Now bring an alpin and touch to it the safety pin as shown in the figure. Like this, like this we have to do. We have to take the pin, we have to attract to the bar magnet, along with we have to take a alpin. In the above two cases, we notice the safety pin act as a magnet when it is contact with other magnet. Yes students, what we have to see, we have to see that safety pin here, safety pin is it is act as a magnet, and when it is contact with the another magnet. Okay students, magnetic property is induced in a safety pin due to the bar magnet, because here magnetic bar magnet is there now, that's why the some, when the safety pin will attract to the bar magnet, it will act as a magnet. Some magnetic property will be produced in a safety pin, that's why the alpin will be attract to this pin. Magnetic property possessed by a magnetic substance due to the presence of magnet near it is called as magnetic induction. So magnetic induction is nothing but magnetic property possessed by a magnetic substance. What is our magnetic substance? Our magnetic substance is pin. Due to the presence of magnet near, because the magnet is present near the magnetic substance, it is called magnetic induction. Just you see here, for example, here is magnetic property possessed by a magnetic substance. For example, magnetic substance which, for example, pin is there due to the presence of magnet near, because the magnet bar magnet is present near. That's why we called as, it is called as magnetic induction. So what we have to do in this, take a bar magnet in one hand and a safety pin in other hand. Hold them in a such a way that they are close to each other but not contact as shown in the figure. Just you see in the figure, like this we have to do. Ask your friend to bring an alpin and touch the safety pin. Okay. You will notice that alpin will stick to the safety pin. This is shown in figure B. Due to the magnetic induction, safety pin act as a, because the presence of magnetic induction, the safety pin will be act as water magnet. Because of this, alpin will be attract to the safety pin. Observe and locate the north and south pole of the, for the second bar magnet as shown in the figure below. Just you write this question along with answer and submit in the group. This is your homework. Okay students, Write compulsory and submit in the group.